Passive income can be a great way to help you generate extra cash flow, whether you're running a side hustle or just trying to get a little extra dough each month, especially as inflation rages throughout the economy. Passive income can help you earn more during the good times and tide you over if you suddenly become unemployed, if you voluntarily take time away from work, or if inflation keeps chipping away at your purchasing power. So in this video we will cover the ideas of how to make passive income. Let's start. Number 1. Create a course. One popular strategy for passive income is creating an audio or video course, then kicking back while cash rolls in from the sale of your product. Courses can be distributed and sold through sites such as Udemy, Skillshare and Coursera. Alternatively, you might consider a freemium model, building up a following with free content and then charging for more detailed information or for those who want to know more. For example, language teachers and stock picking advice may use this model. The free content acts as a demonstration of your expertise and may attract those looking to go to the next level. Number 2. Write an e-book. Writing an e-book can be a good opportunity to take advantage of the low cost of publishing and even leverage the worldwide distribution of Amazon to get your book seen by potentially millions of would-be buyers. E-books can be relatively short, perhaps 30 to 50 pages, and can be relatively cheap to create, since they rely on your own expertise. You'll need to be an expert on a specific topic, but the topic could be niche and use some special skills or abilities that very few offer but that many readers need. You can quickly design the book on an online platform and then even test market different titles and price points. But just like with designing a course, a lot of the value comes when you add more ebooks to the mix, drawing in more customers to your content. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, website owners, social media, influencers, or bloggers promote a third party's product by including a link to the product on their site or social media account. Amazon might be the best-known affiliate partner, but eBay, Awin and ShareASale are among the larger names, too. And Instagram and TikTok have become huge platforms for those looking to grow a following and promote products. You could also consider growing an email list to draw attention to your blog or otherwise direct people to products and services that they might want. Number 4. Buy crowdfunded real estate. If you're interested in investing in real estate but don't want to do a lot of the heavy lifting, management, repairs, handling tenants and more, then another option is using a crowdfunding platform to invest in property. An experienced investing team picks out the real estate, and then you can decide to invest in it and how much you're comfortable with. You'll pay an annual management fee to the real estate platform and have minimum investment amounts that could range from $10 to tens of thousands of dollars. Number 5. Become a blogger. Starting a blog can be a challenging venture, but the blogging business model is only becoming more successful as a passive income stream. You don't need to be an internet celebrity anymore to earn money online. All you have to do is find your people on one or two platforms, then send them to your website. It takes a little bit of time to build a blog, but if you create quality content and promote it through your platforms, you'll build an audience big enough to generate a significant income stream. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel or hit the bell icon, and it would be great if you left a comment. We will meet again with another interesting topic. Till then, stay safe and stay happy.